Okay, so when you're a dog trainer and you work with people who are not dog trainers, this question will come up all the time. Why can't you just stay in your lane? Or it'll be a directive, stay in your lane. Why can't a dog trainer just stay in their lane? I'll help you with that. It's because it's not a real thing. That lane goes every which way. Because the fact is, in the animal care field broadly, there's a disproportionate amount of people in all ranks and roles that do not speak dog. And more crucially, they do not listen to dogs. They don't care what dogs have to say if they understand it in the first place. So what you need is a trainer there, oversight, intervention, and education is crucial. The number of people that I've worked with in different environments that their first instinct is to reprimand a growl and think that they're justified in reprimanding that growl even when presented with data to the contrary is the norm. So that's way more common. And anybody who knows anything about behavior, anybody credible in this field is going to tell you that when a dog growls in this context, because there's all types of growls, it's their attempt to avoid escalating aggression and conflict. It's a warning. They're giving a person or another animal a choice. And so what we need to do as human beings when a dog growls at us in this context is we need to stop what we're doing immediately. As a practitioner, as an animal care provider, as a trainer, whatever, you need to stop what you're doing immediately. Maybe you discontinue the procedure or protocol and come back indefinitely and come back to it later. Or you need to change your approach drastically. So what'll happen is these people that are on site or in charge, when presented with this information from credible and experienced and credentialed people, is they'll try to suppress this information and they'll try to censor it. I've been part of groups on Facebook, volunteer groups on Facebook, where I've seen my posts disappear. I've been part of group chats, like for workplaces, where I will see my messages in the thread be deleted. And so this information shouldn't be threatening to anybody that wants to provide a higher standard of care for the animals in their charge. This kind of information should be empowering, so you can use best practices to decrease the likelihood of a bite, so you can increase use of best practices for consent-based handling and caretaking. So that is food for thought.